Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to talk about 3 brushes that I use to apply my highlighter. And even though the product matters, it also matters what kind of applicator you use to apply your product. So I'm going to tell you guys about 3 brushes you can use to apply your highlighter. And without further ado, let's get into it. So the first brush is this very obvious fan brush. A lot of people use this and people think this is the only brush you can use to apply your highlighter, but it's not true. This is one of them and it's used to get that really straight line over here, like on your cheekbones. Can you see this? So you see this straight line that this fan brush gets. That's why this is used, and also because you can apply it on top of your lips over here. The next brush is this smudger brush. Now there are so many types of brushes that you don't know what to call what, but this one is a smudger brush and it's by NYX. It's number 15 and it's round, so it's really easy to reach like the inner corners. That's why I use this to apply the white highlighter on the inner corners. The next brush is my favorite and it's a blending brush, but it's slightly bigger. This one's by Oriflame and this is my favorite brush to apply my highlighter with. Like, it's literally every time you look at this, there's always highlighter on it. See, this picks up more product here in comparison with the fan brush and it's really easy to apply it. And because I overload myself with highlighter, this does the job, as you can see. And then of course, if it gets too much, you can also blend it out with this brush. So yeah, these were the 3 brushes that I used to apply my highlighter. And I know my face looks really weird right now because there's literally no makeup except highlighter and the liner, but it's really important to know what kind of brushes you can use. And I prefer this one the most. Like, in comparison with the fan brush, I think this one's the best, and I'm gonna leave a link to this in the description. Yeah, this is the end of the video and I hope you guys like it. I hope this helps you in some way. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know what brushes you use for your highlighter. And if there's any specific brand that you like, that their brush is really good, let me know that as well. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.